Hey adventurers! Welcome back to Laksventures. Today we are diving into the unexplored magic of Saudi Arabia, where ancient history, jaw-dropping landscapes and thrilling adventures collide. This isn't your typical travel destination. So grab your passport and let's uncover the hidden gems of Saudi Arabia together. Yalla, let's go! This time, I'm not exploring solo. I joined an amazing group tour organized by TrekUp. Our journey begins in the spiritual heart of Saudi Arabia, Medina. Known as one of the holiest cities in the world, Medina isn't just a pilgrimage destination. It's a gateway to some of Saudi's most thrilling natural wonders. After a quick morning coffee, we are hitting the road for an adventure that's truly out of this world. Volcanic landscapes, here we come. Just 137 kilometers from Medina lies Harrat Khaybar, a sprawling volcanic field that stretches for over 14,000 square kilometers. Fun fact, Saudi Arabia has more than 2,000 dormant volcanoes. But what makes Harrat Khaybar special? These rare white volcanoes formed from silica-rich lava, creating an otherworldly landscape. Look at this view. This massive crater is over 2 kilometers wide. Absolutely breathtaking. If you are an adventure seeker, this hike is a must. And guess what? We've got a little surprise waiting at the base. Next stop, AlUla. This region is home to Saudi's first UNESCO World Heritage Site, Hegra. Think of it as Petra's lesser-known sibling, but with its own rugged charm. These Nabatean tombs were carved into sandstone cliffs over 2,000 years ago. It's history, adventure and beauty all in one. Hi guys, this is Laksventures from Saudi Arabia. We started the trip this morning very early after 3.5 hours of sleep. And we started in Medina and went to several mosques wearing abayas. And right now we are in AlUla. You can see the famous elephant rock here. And it's a very, very lovely area. People are sitting in small holes in the ground, having a fire and barbecue or roasting marshmallows. And it's pretty cold, as you can see here on my outfit. So it's not very warm during winter times in Saudi Arabia. And we just had a very lovely dinner. Famous here meat. We ate camel meat, very delicious, very soft meat. And then we are going to a farm area, like a kind of homestay, where we'll be tonight. And then tomorrow we will head off for more excursions. See you, bye! After soaking in the views, there is nothing better than unwinding in AlUla Old Town. Imagine sipping traditional Saudi tea with this incredible backdrop. It's a perfect mix of adventure and tranquility. Good morning! We are in Saudi Arabia. It looks warm with the sun, but it's very cold actually. We are in Madain area and just trying to check out some tombs and some carvings which has been done here a long time ago. Dive in! Meet Elephant Rock. Isn't it incredible how nature creates these masterpieces? And just a short drive away, you'll find even more desert wonders, like the Harrat Rock and ancient petroglyphs. Hi guys, this is Laksventures. We are in Saudi Arabia this weekend and we are hier auf die Fresh mit. So we have been doing some amazing trips yesterday and also we do amazingly today. And Mohammed will explain us a little bit about what they did yesterday and also today and also what your big really.
First of all, I would like to invite everyone to come to visit Saudi Arabia. There's a lot of nice places you would like to see. So yesterday we started to visit the Islamic manuscript, such as like the Prophet Muhammad Mosque in Medina, and also one of the other very popular mosque. Then we drive to the volcanic area. On the border, the White Volcano is one of the wonderful, unique volcanoes in the world. There is only three white volcano in the world. One of them, this white volcano in Khaybar. And also we have in the Khaybar the largest volcanic area or volcanic field. You would like to see it. It's a wonderful, amazing area. We find the volcano, the white volcano. It's very fantastic, amazing. Do the hiking, we did very good hiking there. Then today we are here in AlUla, the historical city of Nabatean and Madain kingdom. So you guys welcome again and again in Saudi Arabia.
Great. Angela, what is your favorite food here, Zazita?
Well, basically, don't talk about the food, because the food is amazing in Saudi Arabia. By the way, we have a lot of different Islamic culinary, very popular. So we are people like all the Muslims to country food, and also we have so many international world restaurants. But also the food is very, very amazing in Saudi Arabia. We have a lot of wonderful, nice taste dishes like a camel milk, camel meat, and lamb meat, mandi, a different I can't count always a different type of the food in Saudi Arabia.
And I can certainly confirm that because the camel meat yesterday was amazing. It was very, very soft and very delicious. And what about the drink? Do you drink camel milk? Is it very
Yeah, of course, camel milk. I like to drink camel milk, fresh camel milk, because as I told you, Jessica, camel is a very picky animal. It's very selective. So camel walk like 100 kilometers to find good air. So when we drink that milk, so you taste that the wild herbs in this milk. So basically, and also according to the research, camel milk is almost zero fat. Even the camel meat is almost zero fat because the fat in the camel only in the heart.
very healthy?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm a bit surprised that it's a little bit chilly here compared to Dubai. So I just removed my jacket, but I was wearing the jacket and a big scarf the whole morning, which is at some point also great. Escaping Dubai and just breathing in. It's very healthy.
Yeah, Saudi Arabia is a very huge country with a different range. So we have like a mountain, deserts, north, south, east, west. So every region, when you travel from area to other area, you're gonna drive like a 200, 400 kilometers. Definitely that the temperature will change from the area to other area. So it's time. This season is like a winter season, and even in the winter season, the weather is very reasonable and good. People can do all kind of sports activities, any kind of activities easy to do in this weather.
Yeah, amazing. I'm really looking forward for today, and it was very great.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet. Welcome in Saudi Arabia. You guys come back to Saudi Arabia.
Yes, they will. One last desert drive to breathe in the beauty of Saudi Arabia before we head back. Honestly, this place has left me speechless. It's more than a destination, it's an experience. And that's a wrap on our journey through the hidden gems of Saudi Arabia. From volcanic hikes to ancient ruins, this country has something for everyone. If this inspired you to visit, smash the like button, subscribe to Laksventures, and drop a comment below. What's the first thing you'd explore here? Until next time, keep adventuring. Yalla, see you soon.